In the recent high temperature, the ice factory ushered in the peak season of the year. In the morning, a busy scene appeared in an ice factory in Hangzhou. After loading the truck ice, the ice block machine in the ice factory just produced a new batch of ice. The operator first pushes the freshly demolded ice into the cold storage, then pushes out the earlier ice blocks to load the next customer. At the scene, the temperature inside the cold storage was -11 degrees Celsius, and the outdoor temperature exceeded 36 degrees Celsius.
Business is booming, and we have been busy since 6 a.m. until now. At present, it has been this busy situation every day since July 1st. By around July 20th, the hottest time period around August 18th will be in demand for ice blocks.
From July to September, every year is the peak period for ice factories to receive orders. The workers have to produce more than 50 tons of ice cubes per day in and out of the cold storage in and out of the hot and cold environment.
Our customer base includes farmers markets, zoos. In addition, there are factories, various corporate offices, etc., which need to use our block ice for cooling.
Xiaoshan News Channel broadcast.